We're a fabricator of ductwork, and we've been around for 50 years, and we've taken our experiences and applied it to this Corona-19 pandemic. And we've developed a unit to incorporate cleaning the air for these small businesses to open back up like a salon or a restaurant, and to keep their employees safe as well as their customers.
I think it's fantastic. I mean, you know, the air is clean. You can smell the difference when you come into the place. You can notice the difference right away in the air when this thing's running.
For the employees working in an environment such as, pollution, mold, pollen, and viruses that come in contact daily with the employees, this system removes 99.97% of them.
I hope it brings back a lot of our old customers that are anxious to come back, that are a little leery right now.
It runs it through a HEPA unit as well as a UV, and it's distributed through the house system, creating a great environment.
Because if we can show that we're doing something positive to make it a safe environment, it's nothing but a win-win for both of us. For us, I think it's fantastic. I believe it's going to be a benefit to us.